Okay? Now, play immediately, you say, well, it's centripetal force equal to force of attraction. So, how do you spell centripetal? So your centripetal force is going to be mass of the electron times v squared over r, and that's going to equal k q1 q2 over r squared. I'm not using an r12 because we're just talking about the radius of the orbit and magnitudes, okay? So that v is the square root of k q1 q2 over r. Did I leave anything out? Yeah, mass of the electron. Okay? So there we have it. You can plug in q1 and q2 and get the precise value. It's not a particularly important number because it turns out that at that radius you can't possibly have an electron orbiting a proton, for reasons we'll see in a minute. Okay, so this is on the order of what? Square root of 10 to the negative 10th times 10 to the negative 38th divided by 10 to the negative 31st times 10 to the negative 10th. And this is 10 to the positive 10th, not negative 10th. Okay? And that's going to be then equal to what? Well, you got negative 28th up here, negative 41 here, right? Gives you 10 to the 13th, right? And that's 10 times 10 to the 12th. The square root of 10 to the 12th is 10 to the 6th. Well, your order of magnitude is in the millions of meters per second. Can you imagine something moving at 1,000,000 meters per second in a circle of radius 1/10,000,000th of a meter?
A flash can.
That's a lot of heat.
Yeah, well, actually it isn't, because, well, we'll see.
It's all.
You know, if you think about it, you could do 3/2 kT, right? And get the temperature of an electron gas with the electrons moving at that speed, right? Be pretty hot. So, you know, that's a good observation. Okay, so now you can fill in the numbers. The numbers are actually pretty simple. You know, the 9 here and the 9 on the K pretty much divide out, so that's a wash. Okay? And oh, you know, I screwed up. It's not 10 to the negative 31st, so we get rid of that 3. It's 10 to the negative 30th, because 9 times 10 to the negative 31st is 10 to the negative, close to 10 to the negative 30th, right? I was wondering about that 3, but yeah, I'm just dealing with intuition here. Okay, and then of course you have the 2.56 that you get from this thing, and that's the only thing you have, and it's going to be squared. I mean, you got the 1.6 squared to give you 2.56, so you're going to get like 1.6 here, right? That's going to be a pretty close approximation. Okay? The actual result is close to 1.6 times 10 to the 6th meters per second.